Welcome back. Today I want to show you how I made this a delicious cornbread hatch green chili. You heard that right. It's moist and soft and spicy. So let's get started. In my bowl, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2/3 cup of regular sugar. I'm going to just whisk all this together. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to set this aside and get the wet ingredients ready. In another bowl, or this measuring cup anyways, I'm adding 1 cup of milk. I use 2% because that's all I had in hand, but you can use whichever one you want. 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 2 large eggs. And we're going to whisk this together. After that's done, I will be adding the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And with the spatula, now you want to use a spatula, that way you don't overmix. You don't want to overmix this, okay? So just folding it over until it comes together. And then I'm going to grab my hatch green chili. I am using mild. And I'm going to just chop it up. And you can add as little or as much as you like, but I think this amount was actually perfect. Now I'll be adding this to my mix. And just fold it over and don't overmix this. And once again, the oven is at 375 degrees. And I'm going to grab my baking pan and I'm going to just rub some butter on it. And that actually does help it with that buttery flavor too. So pouring that in there. And in the oven it goes for 25 minutes. And after it's done, when it's nice and hot, I'm going to brush on some melted butter. And I did let this cool slightly before I cut it. But as you can see, it is soft, moist, and delicious. Okay, it was still a little bit hot, but hey, it's okay. And here's proof of how soft and spongy this is. Well, I hope you like my video and hope that you make it. Leave a nice comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.